Shrlardeepika and we are back with another video. So recently I received a cute little package from Rivona Naturals and they've sent me their Ubtan Kit, which comes in this beautiful wooden box. So let's unleash the beauty. And the very first thing is the Ubtan face wash, which has basin, turmeric, saffron and argan oil. Take a small amount of face wash on your palm and massage with your fingertips in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes and wash your face and pat dry. So this face wash repairs sun damage, clarifies your skin and also clears excess oil, dirt and impurities, prevents acne and also gives you an even toned skin. So the next product is the Ubtan face mask. So after washing your face, apply an even layer of the face mask on your dampened skin. Keep it for 15 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with water. Okay, so there are so many benefits of an Ubtan face mask, like where do I even begin from? So it ensures blemish-free look and gives you a very natural glow to your face. It smooths and clears out your skin, retains your original and pollution-free complexion, which is why I absolutely love the Ubtan mask. And the last product is the Ubtan soap, which comes in a pack of 3. It's a natural homemade soap which has chandan powder, haldi, besan and milk powder. So the soap helps repair sun damage and gives you very healthy and moisturizing skin. It fights dry and dead skin and doesn't leave any sort of side effects, which I absolutely love about all of the products. And all of their products are paraben free and sulfate free. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I absolutely loved Rivona Naturals Ubtan Kit, and this is like a perfect gifting option to your siblings, your parents, your friends, regardless their gender. I think everybody would actually really like this, and as it comes in this wooden box, I absolutely love the packaging as well. I'm not gonna throw this box, I'm gonna store my jewelry and other stuff in it. I'm so excited. I will list the direct link for this kit in the description, so do check it out. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.